Hey guys, it's been a while. Still working on Little Red, working on the brake. Let me show you what I've done so far, and we'll finish off building the brake in the video. Alright, so I've decided to go ahead and reconnect the stock brake. I got it working fairly decent, and I like using it for the parking brake. I have rebled this system here, caliper squeezing, although I'm only getting a little bit of surface on that disc, even though I've got almost 90% of the brake pad covering the disc. There's a little gap above the brake pads and it's pinching in a V instead of being flat. Maybe as it wears down a little bit, maybe it'll grab more. I think it will. Something's catching, so we'll figure it out and we'll move on. But anyway, I've created this little new little lever thing for the, boy, it's tight since I bled it last. For the master, pivots here on this bolt, which I've can't really tell very well right now because I can't push the master because I got it, it's really tight now. But I got a flat surface here coming off that I've got this handle that's spent all day putting these twists in. Boy, they go all different directions too. But I think I got it where, come out this hole, I'm gonna clean it up, and it should fit between my shifter and my seat, as you can see, and shouldn't be in the way. Let me vice grip this onto that little lip I said I created right there, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, I got it vice gripped onto that little ledge that I said I made for it. And it comes up, and you can see it does not, well, right there, it bumps it a little bit, but all my forward gears, it's not an issue, and as you can see, I can move, that's it, bottomed out. I still got a little room. I think I can bottom it out a little bit tighter, but it's working good. It bounces back on its own, but I think I'm going to weld a nut right here and run a spring to here so it doesn't interfere with, so it doesn't drag, because my handle's kind of heavy. There you go. I'm gonna get around to welding this and we'll see how it goes. All right guys, I was gonna show you me doing this. You can see the black marks on the road. I was coming down about 20-30 miles an hour. There's a matching set at the top of the hill up there. But I was coming out to film me laying on the brakes, coming down the road. And that's as far as I got. I ran out of gas because I didn't have much gas in the tractor. But anyway, I don't have any gas in my gas cans right now because I used it all up mowing when we got back from vacation. It took literally 5 gallons of gas, and that's what I had, was 5 gallons in my tank. But here, let's take a look at the tractor and I'll show you what all I've done. Here's the finished lever. Made it look pretty stock or something. Angle's off just a hair right there, but that's fine because it gets me around the shifter to put it into reverse. Doesn't interfere at all. And it is far enough out from the seat that it doesn't interfere with the seat or my leg. But there it is. And we'll I had my tripod to film me laying on the brakes. That didn't work. All right, I don't know if you can see down in there, but there's my spring on the rod I was telling you about. I got it hooked at the top, and the other end is hooked to that rod, which is welded right there. Oh goodness. Which is welded right there. And like I said, I welded a nut and got a spring running through it. Hooked it to the frame right there where I said I would. But I think it looks pretty sharp. Works great. It doesn't stop the tractor on its own, but in combination with the stock brake, it's pretty, it'll lock them up doing 30 on the asphalt. So there you have it. The new handbrake, which does hold the tractor when sitting still and I want to let off the brake. I killed the tractor several times trying to let off the clutch with that brake on. So it's doing a little bit of work, and I like it. It's the best brakes I've had on Little Red since I have had the tractor. So it's starting to wear down on that disc, those brake pads, so that's good. That's what I was hoping. Now to push this thing back in, and I guess I'm ready to ride. We'll catch you later.